Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to change shipping address on DHgate. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on DHgate, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the DHgate application, I can just go to my account right here on the bottom right corner. And as you can see, if I go to my settings right here, as you can see, there will be a shipping address on the top side. Then I can just click it, and if I want to change it, my current shipping address, I can just click this button, the pencil button right on the right side of the address. And as you can see right here, have an option now to change something in my shipping address. And after that, I can just click save address, or if I want to have a new shipping address, I can click new shipping address again, and input some new shipping address I want, and just click save again. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add or change shipping address on DHgate. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.